it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and I've got a lot of videos that I've recorded about first-time buyers, but what if you're a first-time seller? A frequent question from this audience is, I'm going to need to sell my current home and find a replacement more or less at the exact same time. That sounds like it's complicated. Is that something that I can do? And the answer is absolutely you can. So what you'd want to do is follow all of the things that we talked about in the buyer videos that are nearby, and then also take a look at getting your house ready to sell, and then meeting with your realtor, figuring out what will the house sell for. Are there any things I should clean up or fix or repair or repaint before we're ready to list, and work your way through all that list. Usually, one of the steps that is recommended is to declutter your house and put some things into storage just so the house looks more open and more spacious and more streamlined. And that's a great advanced start on getting the packing process done. I would do all those things in parallel with going out to look at a few homes to find your replacement and get a sense of what is it that you think that you'd want to buy. And there's always a set of trade-offs about which location or how big a house or how much I want to spend. Figure all those things out. When you feel like you're getting pretty close to finding the house that you really want, write an offer on it and then list your house at the same time. If you've got a realistic listing price for your home for its location and condition, it should go under contract pretty quickly. Right now it's in less than 2 weeks. And you can write your offer for the new house to be contingent on the sale of your old house if you choose to do so. But odds are, in most neighborhoods, you're going to feel so confident with the sales trend or the history of what's going on in your neighborhood that you may not even need to have that contingency in there. So then you can run both of the transactions in parallel. And what will happen is on the closing day, you'll maybe in the morning close on the sale of your old house and close on the sale of the purchase of your new house on the same day. It's a little bit to coordinate, and this is where having a really experienced realtor to guide you through the process is really invaluable, but you'll be really glad to get into your new place and move on to the next chapter of your life.